Hey Nolls, it's Linnell. So today I'm coming to you guys with a natural hair journey video. So basically I have a whole bunch of things written down on my phone to talk about so that it goes by quickly. So if you have any more questions about something specific or something that I like just glance over, just leave it down in the comments. And this was requested. I will leave the username right here. It was requested by her, so thank you for requesting the video, and I hope a lot of you guys find this helpful. I will insert a picture of the hair length that I'm at right now. My hair's just in a bun right now. This is all my real hair, yes. Before anybody comments about my hoops, yeah, I know they're big. But anyway, I'm rambling, so let's get on to the video. Primero, I stopped getting relaxers around 2011, and I wasn't getting relaxers by then. I was just getting texturizers, which was the hairstylist that we were going to was saying that, oh, texturizers, like, they're better for your hair, they're still gonna be curly, but like some people's hair would still be curly and some people's wouldn't. Like my mom's hair is really strong and her strands can take a lot of stuff. My fine 4B hair can't take that. Like it would just be straight, and it was just thick and straight. It wasn't even like straight. So I was like, what is the point of even getting these? I'm gonna say something that just like kind of discouraged me when I was first going natural. My mom at the time was like, oh no, you don't want to go natural, like you don't have like the hair for that. And that kind of like really hurt my feelings, because like her hair is a looser texture than mine, but I had never like seen my like actual natural curl pattern. Like I do have an actual curl pattern, like it just wasn't as loose as hers, but like I know that she was like not informed on natural hair really as much, because she's always had like curly hair. Even with relaxers, her hair was still curly. Like it's a long story, but either way, I stopped getting texturizers really in 2011, so I was in the 8th grade, and I had zero idea what to do with my hair. My mom didn't know how to do my hair. By this time, I was already doing my own hair, like, by myself, but, like, my mom doesn't have my type of hair, so she didn't know, like, how to take care of it or how to help me and stuff like that. So yeah, I didn't really know how to take care of transitioning hair, which was what it was. And by the way, I know I'm like cutting off sometimes, but it's because I'm trying to insert pictures to show you guys. I don't have that type of editor where I can put the picture over. So if anybody wants to give me one. Anyway, back to the video. So I hated my curl pattern because I didn't see it. Like I was like, okay, like I stopped getting texturizers, like why don't I see my curl pattern? But I was just very uninformed, and a lot of people weren't really natural at that time, and there weren't a lot of natural YouTubers except Natural85 and YouTube Hair Care, I think her name is. I was like obsessed with watching her. So I quickly became natural, like all the way natural, because the demarcation line in my hair broke off, like because I didn't know how to take care of my hair. Like I didn't know that you comb from the bottom. I didn't know like that the relaxed hair was more sensitive because of the demarcation line, that your natural hair is a lot stronger and thicker. I didn't know that, so like it just all broke off. And I kept straightening my hair. Like I would go to the salon like every 2 or 3 months to get it straightened, and like that's not how you grow your hair. So I was really I really had stagnant growth. it just like was up to here, like at my shoulders, and I was like, I thought my hair was so long at the time, but it was just at my shoulders, and it didn't really go anywhere for a while. Like it would stay between here and here, like just here and here. And then I discovered mini twists by Natural 85, and mine weren't actually like as tiny as hers, but mine were mini, and like it saved my hair. Like that's what like really grew my hair like really fast. It grew my hair really fast because it was low maintenance, and I realized that very low manipulation to my hair is what grows my hair out. Like the twist grew my hair so fast. I had never seen my hair grow that fast, and I'll insert pictures here. Then for my 16th birthday, I dyed the pieces in the front of my hair blonde. Anyway, I dyed my hair blonde. I was like, oh yeah, my hair is like getting all long now. I'm gonna dye my hair blonde. I was like, okay, this is interesting. So the pieces of my hair in the front are already looser naturally. So then when I dyed it, it like just destroyed the curl pattern, and it was so dry, and I didn't know how to take care of dyed natural hair. Like I was like, don't you just do the same thing? No, you don't. I dyed my hair all black. So I dyed my hair, the blonde pieces in February, then in August for the new school year, or July, I dyed my hair blue-black. And it was still pretty long, but it was damaged. Then my hair was doing okay. I was really taking a lot of care of my hair. Like that's when I was doing like braid outs and twist outs, but it was like, it was growing, but it wasn't growing at the rate that it should have been growing. Like it was breaking off still more. So by this time my hair was like down to here. 2013, so this is 2 years into my natural hair journey. For prom, my junior year of prom, I dyed my hair brown. I went to the salon and dyed my hair brown, and it was not the brown that I wanted. Like I was like, this isn't really showing up. So I bought a box dye a month later and dyed it on top of that, and it was the brown that I wanted. It was super pretty. It came out really like orange at first, but then it like turned brown. And when I tell you, it took so long for me to grow my hair out from that brown. It took me so long to grow my hair out from that brown. Like, it damaged my hair so badly. Like, why would I dye my hair? It was literally the prettiest brown you could ever think of. Like, insert pictures now. It was really pretty, but my hair stayed the exact same length for a year and a half. On average, your hair grows like 4 to 6 inches a year. My hair was staying the same length for a year and a half. So this was into my senior year and into my freshman year of college. Now, the college town that I live in, it has very, very harsh water. So I would like wet my hair all the time and it would just be dry, dry, dry. And by this time you can see like how grown out my hair is. And like it's so grown out, and then like the brown is just on the end because I was like, I'm not gonna chop all this hair off. But when I tell you it was dry, it felt like no matter how much product I put on it, it just felt like straw. You know those Barbie dolls where it would have like more of like the straw like hair? That's what it felt like. So like I wasn't doing really many protective styles. I was just kind of like letting my hair be. I was doing wash and goes, which is really, I'm wetting my hair, not detangling it. And then I'm just going to put Eco Styler on like this part of my hair. So like the roots weren't getting the same gel as the ends of my hair. So it was just matting and matting and matting. And I literally spent like, I think 3.5 hours one night combing out my hair. Like I looked up every single video. Like you can look at my search history. I looked up like how to untangle matted hair. Like I had to use conditioner and coconut oil and like lather it all in my hair, and I was like sitting there combing my hair and it hurt so bad because I'm also tender-headed. That's the other thing. So yeah, so like I still had that dry hair, and then like my natural hair color was coming in, which this is all my natural hair color. My hair is not dyed anymore. I was under a lot of stress. My senior year was really, really bad, etc. So I think that all like contributed to it. But yeah, so then I dyed my hair all black November 2015, and then I put some hip length braids in, which I have a video up on my channel. I put some hip length braids in, and then after that I like kept it in low manipulation, I guess. But I would put my hair in ponytails and leave it there for like a week, 2 weeks, and just freshen up the front. I would sleep without a satin bonnet on. You don't understand how matted my hair was, guys. Like, don't do that, please. Because my mom always wears like ponytails and she always looks so cute and it's like always so slicked. But I'm so lazy. I'm the laziest natural ever. If you haven't figured that out, I'm a really lazy natural. So like I was just doing like, okay, like it's still in the same style, like I can keep it here, right? When I went to go and try and detangle that, man, so much of my hair came out. It wasn't good. This is now sophomore year in college. I braided up my hair, bought me a couple wigs, and I started wearing wigs consistently. Sometimes I still slipped up, so I still had a few setbacks. I think the wigs definitely have been working. That's basically what I did. I had to go to lead in the summer, this past summer, so my hair was just in mini twists again, and it was like really dry when I came back, and I had to like deep condition it. So I think that was a minor setback of this year, but other than that, I've been wearing wigs consistently. At my routine here. So basically I braid my hair up. I braid it myself. I braid it straight back, and I'll just wear wigs. I have a wig grip so that it's not pulling on my edges, or like sliding and moving on my edges, because I do have like lace front ones, and like I don't want the little knots to like rip my edges out. And then yeah, I wear those for 7 to 8 weeks at a time. I moisturize the ends of my hair every day, and I wear a satin bonnet every day. Satin bonnets are so important because your pillows, like I have furry pillows and all that stuff, those pillows will break your hair off because it'll dry your hair out. And that's not good. So you want the satin bonnet because it'll keep your moisture inside. Well, that is my natural hair journey up to this point, and now this is what my natural hair is looking like. Well, not in its natural state, but you know what I mean. So I hope this video helped you out a little more. If you have any questions, once again, leave them down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please thumbs it up and please subscribe to my channel. We are growing and that makes me really happy. And request more videos. I'm down to do any video that you guys request, as long as it's appropriate, of course. But yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!